Hi, and welcome to my video about the new Dometic NRX. Wow, it's finally here, the new Dometic NRX. All right, the new Dometic NRX, all right? For you plebeians out there, that means new refrigerator. So we just pulled this thing out of the box and you can tell this thing is sleek. I'm liking it a whole lot. It's really nice. Totally makes sense why they did this whole redesign, new fridge series. First thing you'll notice when you pull this out of the box is that it is really sleek. We got a full little stainless steel going on right here. A big old handle, big old latch. Big old latch on the top. And if you're familiar with the old version, they had a small little handle kind of right here in the middle. And that would just take a whole lot of force when you open this thing. When the hinge is on the side, you're using a lot of force. And we actually had to fix a few of those handles that had snapped in the past. So I'm excited for this. No more fixing those handles. Big old handle. And the door is also reversible, which is really cool. The previous one did not have that, so that is a awesome new feature. You put it wherever you want, and you can make it open however you want. Another cool feature in the back is that they have a beveled back little bottom here. And when you're really pushing these things into a van with some curved walls, this thing's gonna help a little bit. So it's a cool feature that they didn't have to put in, but they put it in just for me. So love that. Still runs on AC power. 12 volt, so same deal there. You can still turn it on, no worries. Yeah, they made this thing about 9% more efficient, which is pretty cool. 9%, that's better than no percent at all. So we're excited to plug this thing in, see how it pulls juice. Let's crack it open, check it out. What do we got in here? Oh my gosh, who put that there? Dude. Silly guys mess around in the shop. So yeah, big old space in here. One thing that's really cool about this, I'm pretty excited about, is that you can pull this freezer part out and this whole thing will operate as a freezer. None of their other refrigerators did that, so that's a really cool thing. I don't know if you're going deer hunting or something, you take down a deer and you can just shove it in here, I guess would be your move there. Or you could get the smaller one, do a freezer with that, have this one as a refrigerator. I don't know exactly the best way to utilize that new feature, but I like having it. It's good to know. Yeah, you got plenty of storage in here that you can move around. Of course, your little egg tray or whatever you want to put in here, veggie trays, drink spot with a little rubber holding thing. It's kind of cool. I don't know, a lot of cool little things in here. These trays move all the way around, but you got a lot of storage in here. Freezer, like most of these small refrigerators, is really lacking in space, but you know, this is a pretty small refrigerator in general that is for a van. So figure out some freezing stuff. Maybe you're gonna turn this whole thing into a freezer. I don't know. In terms of installing, it's very similar to the previous versions, which you just take off these little tabs that are in the inside, screw through into your walls. All right, so that is the NRX 130S by Dometic. It's a really cool fridge. We're really excited to get this thing in, see how it really operates. We'll be making a video on that. In the meantime, check out our other videos. We got a video of us building all the cabinetry for this, so click on it, and yeah, see you later.